The London Museum is busy this afternoon. Visitors move slowly through the tall halls. In the center gallery, a beautiful diamond necklace shines under bright lights. The necklace is famous across the world. It is called the Queen's Star Diamond Necklace. A glass display case protects the necklace. Security cameras watch every corner of the room. Guards stand near the doors. It seems impossible for anyone to steal it. Suddenly, a loud alarm fills the museum. Red lights begin flashing across the walls. Visitors gasp in shock. Guards rush toward the display case. The glass case is still closed. But the necklace is gone. Only an empty velvet stand remains.
The necklace is missing.
Within minutes, the police arrive.
Kate, we have a serious problem.
What kind of problem?
A diamond necklace disappeared from a locked display case.
Something is not right.
That is exactly why I called you.
An hour later, Kate and her team arrive at the museum. Kate walks slowly around the display case. Her eyes study every small detail.
I checked the cameras. No one touched the glass.
My scanner detects no broken glass.
The case never opened.
Something is not right.
Kate kneels and examines the velvet stand. A tiny scratch mark glints under the light.
Look at this mark.
That looks like a magnet scratch.
Interesting theory.
But the necklace is made of diamonds.
The chain is metal. Someone used a powerful magnet.
The team looks upward. The ceiling ventilation grate hangs above the display.
Something is not right.
Racket climbs a ladder to check the vent.
You should see this.
Inside the metal frame is a small carved symbol. A snake.
That symbol,
I have seen it in criminal reports.
The room becomes quiet.
Shadow Fang.
Bolt suddenly notices something inside the case.
wait, there is a card.
A small black card lies beside the velvet stand. A silver snake symbol shines on the surface. Kate reads the message.
To Detective Kate. Shall we begin our game? Something is not right. Because this thief wants to be found.
Racket releases a tiny flying drone.
Let us see where that vent leads.
The drone travels through the ventilation system. Suddenly, the signal stops.
Someone cut the signal.
That means the thief is close.
Or watching us.
On the museum rooftop, a tall shadow waits. The black snake holds the diamond necklace.
Detective Kate, I expected you sooner.
I was curious if the famous Shadow Fang would show himself.
Only for a worthy opponent.
Something is not right. Great thieves usually hide.
I am not hiding. I am inviting you.
Kate steps onto the rooftop. The London skyline glows in the evening light.
Kate, be careful.
Impressive deduction with the magnet.
The scratch mark gave it away.
Good. I enjoy intelligent detectives.
Then you should also enjoy prison.
Shadow Fang laughs softly. Suddenly, a smoke bomb explodes. Thick gray smoke fills the rooftop.
I cannot see.
When the smoke clears, Shadow Fang is gone. Only the diamond necklace remains on the rooftop.
Curious. He returned the necklace.
Yes. Because this was not a theft. It was an introduction.
Why would a thief return the diamond?
Because he wanted something else.
Your attention.
Exactly. Something is not right. A criminal who wants to challenge a detective is dangerous.
So what happens next?
Kate looks across the city.
The game begins.
Somewhere in the city, Shadow Fang watches the lights of London.
Run. Detective Kate. Let us see how long the game lasts.
And so the battle between detective and mastermind begins.
Diamond. A very hard and shiny stone. Example. The diamond necklace is very valuable. Necklace. Jewelry worn around the neck. Example. The queen's necklace disappeared. Display case. A glass box used to protect valuable items. Example. The necklace was inside a display case. Magnet. An object that can pull metal. Example. The thief used a magnet to steal the necklace. Ventilation. A system that moves air through a building. Example. The thief escaped through the ventilation system. Symbol. A mark that represents something. Example. The snake symbol belongs to Shadow Fang. Escape. To get away from danger. Example. Shadow Fang escaped across the rooftops. Opponent. Someone you compete or fight against. Example. Shadow Fang sees Kate as a worthy opponent.
Question 1. Where was the diamond necklace? A. In a bank. B. In a museum. C. In a train. Question 2. How did the thief take the necklace? A. He broke the glass. B. He used a magnet. C. He opened the door. Question 3. Where did the thief escape from? A. The door. B. The window. C. The ventilation system. Question 4. Who is the villain in this episode? A. Bolt. B. Racket. C. Shadow Fang. Question 5. What is Kate's famous phrase? A. Let's go. B. Something is not right. C. Case closed.
Hi, I'm Momo. Did you enjoy this story? If you liked it, please subscribe to our channel. We will learn more English together. See you soon. Bye.